Unok, Unok Island o Balabac, Palawan. Napakaganda mo. Look at the water, so crystal. So clear, grabe. I like it so much. Pangarap pa lang kitang puntahan one of these days. If God will